A Port Arthur High School graduate who is making a living in Hollywood is teaching students how to become leaders. Rhonda Vise reports the Port Arthur native wants to make sure young people follow their dreams.
Yeah, slow down a little bit. These Port Arthur students are learning about trust, teamwork, and how to develop leadership skills. It's part of the 8th Annual Youth Leadership Conference. The featured speaker is this man, 1978 Lincoln High graduate Hilton Kelly.
If I can leave a small town and pursue my dreams and go abroad and travel around the world, these kids here can do the same thing. When I was younger coming up in this town, I didn't feel that I would ever make it out because I didn't have the vision.
But Kelly did achieve his dream of becoming an actor. He's appeared in several plays, television shows, and movies, doing background work and stunts. Now his mission is to motivate others.
Living in this world and in our community as Port Arthur, you know, it's gone down because of drugs and alcohol, sex, and violence. And well, literally what they teach us that we should go forward towards our dreams and not go towards what, you know, a lot of young kids are going towards.
Kelly's speech already has some students setting goals.
I want to run the 100-meter hurdles and be able to set a record in the 100-meter hurdles and be the first woman from Port Arthur to enter the Olympics.
I've been kind of thinking about what my dreams are going to be after high school, you know, and I was kind of undecided. But his speech really kind of motivated me to keep thinking about it and get after it and go.
Kelly says he feels it's his responsibility to give back to the community in which he grew up and teach young kids to make the right choices in their lives.
You can either be a leader or a follower, and I've chosen to be a leader.
In Port Arthur, Rhonda Vise, KFDM 6 News.
Hilton Kelly has appeared in television shows such as Nash Bridges and some movies, including the remake of Dr. Dolittle.
Coming up later on Channel 6 News, an East Texas youngster appears on national television and